I don't bend this way. Leave him alone.
My finger won't crack. It's not ready yet.
Just wait a little longer.
I don't have time for that.
I'm gonna snap off. Take us instead.
I already cracked you guys.
I'm in so much pain. Don't make us watch this. He's our family. You broke me. He's had enough.
We should go to the doctor. I need to finish what I started.
You're insane. Put me out of my misery. Just give up. I'm hanging on by a thread.
I almost got it.
It was nice knowing you guys.
Now I can finally crack it.